Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffanytori, and today I'll be doing a hair tutorial on how to achieve a luscious braid out. So I'm starting with my hair freshly washed. I was just able to condition my hair. I did not shampoo my hair. I shampoo my hair every other 2 months, I would like to say, and I recently shampooed it. So you see my hair? It is shrinkage, my friend. A lot of shrinkage. Alright, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, you guys, so you guys can see that I did half of my hair in braids, and now I'm about to do the other half right now. So now I'm about to section off my hair. I like to do my hair medium braids, medium slash medium. Maybe it might be a little big for other people, but I call these medium braids. Another technique I like to do, I like to go across my hair like this to see how much of it on this side to be on this side, as you guys can see. It's probably not that even, but a good estimate. Okay, so now I'm gonna use H2O and spray. Get all that moisture back. Then I'm gonna get some coconut oil. Then I'm gonna use my Main Choice leave-in conditioner. The method I'm using that most of you guys would know is the LOC method, liquid oil cream. That method really helps with my hair. And then now I'm going to use the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream. This is the goods. Like, this never lets me down. This has been one of the products that has been faithful to me. Out of all the products I use, but this is the MVP. And now I'm going to use my denim brush to help detangle my hair again. So now I'm going to start the braid. Section it in 3. Then just start braiding. Make sure you are braiding your hair tight. With the braid being tight, it really helps define the curl pattern. Then when your hair is up to here, get some more cream and do a nice coil, curl, however you want to call it at the bottom. It's the last braid, you guys. It's the last braid. Just want to thank God. So yeah, you guys, I'm done with my braids. Now I'm just gonna get some more coconut oil and oil my scalp. It is important to oil your scalp. That helps with hair growth. I always oil my scalp, and I feel like me always oiling my scalp, massaging my head, helping with the blood flow through my head really helped with me growing my hair from my big chop. Alright you guys, I'm gonna chat with y'all in the morning. Now I'm going to sleep because your girl needs it. I am back! Let me stop. Okay you guys, I woke up. I'm back. Alright, let's continue with this tutorial. So now we're going to take out the braids, but before we start, I'm going to use my coconut oil again to help me take out these braids. Oh, I already know, so people are going to ask me how many braids I did, and I did 15. You know what? Let me double check. Okay, yeah, I lied. 13, not 15. Okay, so I did 13 braids. When you're taking out your braids, you have to be very careful compared to a twist out, because we do not want this to mess up at all. It's a lot of patience. Well, it's just patience to be natural, you know. Look at this. Alright. Y'all see what I'm working with. Okay, look at that defined braid out. Y'all see? And can I get a closer look? Okay you guys, so I am done. I took out all my braids. Right now, this is how I would leave my braids if I would just let it stay literally just like this. With my braids being just like this, it would last me about 5 to 6 days. But if I take it out and fluff it out, it will last me about 3 days. So it depends on the type of mood I am in. It depends on where I'm going throughout the week. But today I'm going to fluff it out and pick it apart to show you guys the final results. This side is defined still. Just took the braid out, that was it. And then this side actually pulled each piece apart and gave it way more volume. So volume or defined, which one you feeling? Comment down below. I'm gonna go with side B. Let me know if y'all rocking with side A. Okay, now let's get these edges, my friend. So I'm going to be using the 24-hour Edge Tamer Extra Firm Hold. Now I'm going to use my scarf. And when I do my edges as well, I just do right here, like up to here. I don't really do this part because no one's not seeing this because my hair is out like this. So if people were gonna see those edges, then of course I would do all of them. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then come back to you guys. Alright, get my little lip gloss on it and pop it. If you know me, I'm obsessed with Rihanna. So we're gonna get this Fenty Beauty on and popping. Alright, you guys, I am done. This is it. Yes. I look real cute, if I do say so myself, because I'm my biggest fan. I gas myself. I don't need no one else to gas me. Hello, self-love. Alright, you guys, now that's it for my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any other things you guys would like to see me produce. Can't wait to see you beautiful people in my next video.